skeletonized models, particularly this green edition, is simply unmatched in the industry today. As you can see, the craftsmanship on the skeletonized models, particularly this green edition, is simply unmatched in the industry today.
If we integrate the tourbillon here, the aerodynamics improve slightly.
Yes, that aligns with the engine block cooling model.
The tolerance on the escapement bridge is still too tight at high RPMs.
Let's loosen it by 5 microns and rerun the simulation. We need to adjust the clearance here by at least 2 millimeters.
The simulation shows that should resolve the stress issue.
And it won't compromise the surface aesthetic on the clay.
The sapphire clarity is exceptional, but how does the type stress?
The microtexture holds up well. All dimensions finalized. Component count matches the BOM.
Excellent. Locking the concept now.
The transfer is complete. Check the optimized route on the main screen.
Looks good. We can begin fabrication immediately.
Look at the deflection curve on the Z-axis. It's stable.
Yes, well within the durability threshold, we can approve the run. The tolerance on the Z-axis is holding steady at plus or minus 2 microns.
Good. The measurements align perfectly.
Look at the thermal load reduction on the skirt.
That puts us well within the longevity parameters.
Examine the alignment on the escapement wheel.
It's perfectly centered.
Very good. Let's begin the assembly.
Increase the dampening coefficient by 5%.
Adjustments complete. Power flow is normalizing.
Excellent. Full synchronization achieved.